Hi, it's Jen from Shabby Fabrics with a special Christmas project for you today. Yes, we're already ready to announce all of our amazing Christmas projects for 2024. We all know as makers and quilters, it's time to get busy in order to have all these quilts ready in time for gift giving. And Christmas, of course, is one of our favorite times of the year that we look forward to. This quilt is called Homemade. I love that it has all these big blocks. I love, because sometimes quilts just have small blocks. I love how big the blocks are. Merry, cheer, joy, and peace. I love the message. I love the red truck. This is a quilt by Coach House Designs, and it's called Homemade. And it's made from Homemade Holidays by Chris Lammer. She designs from Maywood Studio. And Barb, who is the owner and designer for Coach House, designed this for Shabby Fabrics. And again, you can just see it's a really fun design. So the fabric is coming inbound to us. Now you have the ability to reserve a kit. We ordered a limited amount. As always, there's just not an unlimited supply. There's a finite amount. So if this speaks to you and you can see that maybe hanging in your home or maybe something you want to give as a gift, be sure to reserve that kit for just $10. The backing is so cute with these reindeers. The fabric is so soft and beautiful. The backing reserve is just $5. And then this is the thread set that we chose to be able to stitch down all of those pre-fused laser cut shapes. Yes, you do not need to cut out all of that, even things like Mary. We have taken so much time in our lasers to cut that out for you so that this is just a no-brainer, right? There's no tracing, there's no cutting of all those shapes, and that is a lot. There's a lot of laser shapes going on here, and this quilt on this side as well, all of the truck. Down here, there's a snow globe. We're so excited that we're exclusively offering this, and thank you again to Barb at Coach House Designs. These are the things that we use to put our project together, and I'm going to call your attention to what I think is the most important piece on the table, that being the light box and the larger applique mat. We really knew that it was important to be able to pre-assemble things that are not really easily done when you're just looking at a picture. We want to be able to use a layout diagram that Barb has included inside your pattern that is, again, exclusive to us here at Shabby Fabrics, that is showing you when you get your pieces for your kit and you're removing the back of that, you're using your layout diagram in conjunction with your applique mat to pre-assemble all of these shapes to go exactly where they belong, iron those down, and then move them onto the background. Layout diagrams are essential for that alignment. So let me just show you what you can be looking forward to, right? If you did not have these, which is not part of a regular pattern, you are now guessing. You're looking at an image and trying to figure out, where does everything go? And you know what? Sometimes things get cattywampus. You don't need to do that because you will have layout diagrams that are exclusive to receiving our kit. The pattern, which will be made available later on, will not have these layout diagrams included. Of course, other things are always needed when you're doing quilts like this. The normal drill, right? The new blade and the rotary cutter, patchwork pins, the fresh needle and the sewing machine, all of those things. But the most important thing is always going to be getting your spot in the program, grabbing your backing, your thread set, any notions you know you need, and let a friend know as well. Crafting is always fun, but when we get to do that with the people we love, with the thing we love to do the most, there's just nothing better. So thank you for giving me a few minutes of your day to show you the beautiful quilt called Homemade that is perfect for Christmas of 2024.